I went to New York to be a dancer. I was gonna be a dancer and that was gonna be great, and that lasted like 9 months. And then I came back to San Antonio and I needed a job. And my family was concerned that I was gonna be a deadbeat, so they were like, why don't you go to culinary school? So I went to culinary school in Hyde Park at the CIA. I had an amazing experience there, and I got to work in Puerto Rico, in Mexico, and then in New York, and then I came back to San Antonio. I think food is universal. Food is the thing that everybody has in common. And even if we don't have the same foods in common, everybody eats. And everybody brings a certain level of tradition and pride to their food. Like, I don't know anybody who just eats for fuel, you know? And so I think it's a way to not only show your maybe cultural heritage, but also just who you are. I would definitely like to make as many connections as possible, to find more people to kind of see, what are they doing there, and how can I either interpret that into something I'm going to do here, or just be in awe of what's happening somewhere else. I think definitely as I get older, I find that the personal connections are the thing. The personal connections are really where you feel the satisfaction of your work. I think sometimes San Antonians devalue what we have here. I think you see it in those Keep San Antonio Lame bumper stickers. Like, San Antonio is not lame. San Antonio is really cool. And the more recognition we get from the outside, I think just makes us more and more proud of what we're doing here.